Okay, kita bermula dengan minggu yang baru, minggu yang bullish ya. But before we get started dan before I show you the exact levels yang saya nak trade, Maxi is celebrating their 7th anniversary. So ada event yang besar, prize pool sebesar 10 juta USDT, team battle, mystery boxes, solar rewards, all happening right now. Saya akan letak link di bawah. You guys boleh tekan link ni, dapatkan semua details. Right now, the current prize pool sebesar 2 juta USDT and it will get bigger and bigger. Okay, so a lot of prizes. You guys boleh join a team sini atau kalau you guys ada team sendiri, become a team leader, right? Trade and win your share of the prize pool. Okay, so let's take a look. Kita dah sapu semua liquidity di sini, right? Massive sweep to the upside. Kita dah akhirnya dah break dari range ni. We were in this range semenjak bila 12 April ya. Semenjak 12 April. Hampir 10 hari kita dalam range ni. Akhirnya dah breakout, dah sweep ke atas. And right now kita sedang sampai ke resistance yang penting. Okay, so let's zoom out a little bit more. Kita tengok 1 month liquidation heat map. Okay, so look, we still have this one more zone up here. Okay, ingat ni 88 to about 80, 88 to about 89 lah, let's say. Okay, dan di bawah kita ada ni, not that much, but we have 181 million di 83,000. Okay, so ingat ya, 89 and 83. Ini dua level yang penting. So let's take a look at the charts. What has actually been happening? Bitcoin, kita zoom out sikit, kita pergi. Let's look at daily first. So, it has been brought to my attention that there is a divergence on the RSI di daily time frame. Okay, lower lows, tapi RSI membuat higher highs. Dan biasanya, I think I've said this before in a few videos, biasanya dalam crypto, bila you dapat divergence, right, di sini dah ada divergence. Oops. Nampak? Dua low ni, dia buat lower low, tapi sini buat high high. Usually, bila ada divergence, you akan dapat satu lagi sweep ke bawah untuk liquidate semua orang yang telah enter terlalu awal di sini. Okay, so trader akan nampak ada divergence, mereka akan enter long sini. Yeah, but then price comes down and sweeps them out, creates one more big divergence sebelum ada push ke atas. Kita sering nampak ni. Right, we always see this. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, kemarin pun kita telah dapat, not kemarin lah, I think 2 days ago. 2 days ago pun kita dapat pattern ini dan kita sentiasa dapat. So let me just zoom in a little bit. Now this is a bullish signal ya. Ini ialah tanda bullish. Tapi lagi satu tanda bullish yang sangat penting that I want to show you guys. Yang sudah berlaku di Solana, sebab Solana is currently leading the market right now, tapi belum berlaku di Bitcoin, dan kalau berlaku di Bitcoin ialah tanda yang sangat-sangat bullish. Okay, so we want to see that, dan it also aligns with some important key levels yang saya berminat untuk trade. Okay, so looking at daily time frame, we have kind of touched the support, right? We have divergences, so this might be an indication that mungkin kita akan push lebih tinggi. Okay, tapi di lower time frame kita kena tengok. There's a few things that I want to see happen on the lower time frame. So mari kita zoom in sedikit. Let's look at 4 hour. 4 hour kita sedang berada dalam range ini. Right, we are still in this range since February 28 February. Right, we've created this big push double bottom dan sekarang kita sedang menuju ke the top of the range. Okay, zooming in a little bit more, 1 hour time frame. Now, what I was talking about, the pattern that I was talking about, we look at 15-minute time frame. Okay, tengok RSI. This was the pattern that I'm talking about. Tengok divergence, tapi ada satu lagi sweep, poop, and a bigger divergence sebelum dia junam. Right, so dalam crypto, pattern ini sentiasa berlaku, right? It's like a triple divergence. Dia akan bagi divergence satu and then one more sweep, creating the third divergence, barulah dia junam. Okay, so we're seeing that on the higher time frame, and we're also seeing that again happening right now. Okay, price telah pump. Yeah, price telah pump, but we are creating some divergence here. So, kita sedang pump dan membentukkan divergence berdekatan dengan area resistance. So, not really a good sign. Okay, not really a good sign, tapi we still have potential to break out. Sebab so long as we can maintain above the point of control, right, then there is a possibility that even if we create a fake out here and we retrace, tapi masih boleh maintain atas sini, then mungkin kita boleh sambung lebih tinggi. Dan if we can maintain above here, we're also maintaining above the monthly open. Right, so that's another key level to keep an eye on. So, walaupun kita sedang berada di resistance, dan kalau kita dapat pullback dari sini, the important levels to keep an eye on ialah point of control di 84 and also our monthly open dekat 82.5. Dan ingat, kita ada liquidity level di 83. So ini menjadi zone yang penting lah untuk bulls defend. Mereka kena defend level ini from 84 to about 82.5 supaya kita boleh sambung naik. Okay, so that being said, mana level yang saya berminat untuk trade sekarang? Ada dua level saja. Saya as a trader, kita tak kejar market, kita tunggu market datang kepada kita. Kita sediakan plan, kita tunggu market ikut plan, barulah kita execute our trade. So currently, what is my plan? Well, kita sedang berada di resistance. So saya takkan enter sebuah long sini sebab we are already high. Right, kita nak sell high. We don't want to buy high. We want to sell high and buy low. So that being said, kalau kita nak sell high dan buy low, we're looking for this resistance zone right here dari 88 to about 89. Ingat, we have that liquidity level up here yang sangat-sangat tebal, yang dah bermula dibentukkan semenjak 26 March. Very, very long time. We have a lot of liquidity. 220 juta liquidity di atas sini. So, ada dua possibility sekarang. If we do get a pullback, right? If we do get a pullback first, then I'm potentially looking to take a long position from here. Okay, sebab kita dah ada sebuah range di sini. We have the point of control here. Right, if we look at this previous range, we could get a bounce, right, on this range high or even the point of control. Okay, di mana ada sebuah order block juga. So I would not mind looking for a long position around here. Okay, so this is one of my plan untuk long. Mungkin saya akan cari continuation dari sini, lebih kurang 85.2. Or even lower, 84.6. Okay, stop loss would be below this low or even below this low right here. Targeting the liquidity at 88.89. Okay, so this is plan untuk long. Yeah. So another plan would be to short, which I think is more likely to happen sebab kita sedang menuju ke resistance. Okay, kita sedang menuju ke resistance dan kita sedang membentukkan divergence di M15 and also M30. Alright, so what I think would happen is we could have one more pump up into this resistance, sweep out all the liquidity, barulah kita akan return balik ke sini. Right, so if that does play out, then this is what the plan would look like. We're looking for a pump here and to short dalam zone sini dari 88 to about 89. Okay, so very simple and straightforward plan. Sama ada kita dapat pullback untuk continue long atau kita dapat pump up to clean out the liquidity dan kita cari short. Okay, now there is a third scenario. What happens if kita sambung bullish? Sebab sekarang di Solana, kalau kita buka chart Solana, jap, let me just clean this up. Okay, kalau kita buka chart Solana, Solana dah tinggi ya. We've already pumped quite high. Right, dia sedang is currently leading the market. Dan indikator yang sangat penting ialah ini. Ya. 3 April ini ialah dump disebabkan oleh Trump tariff announcement. So ini menjadi satu data data key level lah, right, yang penting. Sebab kalau kita dapat break ke atas ni, ini menunjukkan bahawa kita ada kekuatan untuk sambung, right. We have rejected a couple of times here. Akhirnya dapat breakout, retest, very clean retest, and continue. But this is on Solana. Take a look at Bitcoin ya. So tengok ni ya, 3 April. Take a look at Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin 3 April, we have not yet reclaimed this data level. So there is a possibility kalau ini berlaku, right? Let's say we have something like Solana, kita consolidate sikit di sini, boom, we break out dan kita dapat a very clean breakout, jelaslah breakout jauh ke atas, and we retest here, then there is a possibility yang kita mungkin akan sambung kekuatan. Right? That is another scenario if that happens. But if we want this to happen, saya lebih suka kalau kita pull back sini dulu. Right? Maybe even collect liquidity down here. Right? Just below here. Barulah kita sambung breakout macam ini. Sebab that way kita tak tinggalkan imbalance macam ni, kita tak tinggalkan liquidity macam ni yang mungkin boleh jadi target untuk price reverse. Kalau kita sapu semua ni dulu, barulah kita breakout macam ni, lagi cun, lagi menarik. Right, sebab that way tak ada magnet di bawah yang mungkin boleh tarik price ke bawah. Okay, so this is just a potential very bullish scenario to keep an eye on yang sudah berlaku di Solana. Right, kita nampak sudah breakout, sudah retest. Sudah berlaku di Solana tapi belum berlaku di Bitcoin. Dan kalau berlaku di Bitcoin, we might see the rest of the crypto market also menjadi lebih bullish. Okay, so that's just a few things to keep an eye on. Dan itulah plan saya untuk minggu ini for the next few days for Bitcoin. Kalau you guys nak tengok exactly bila saya entry, bila saya exit, TP, SL, everything. SL pun saya share. Macam like last night, we hit an SL. Everything transparent. Okay, TP pun saya bagi tahu. Right, when I exit, saya bagi tahu. Okay, so kalau you guys nak follow exactly macam mana saya trade, how the members in our group also trade, bukan saya yang paling hebat ya. Member-member lain dalam ni jauh lebih hebat dari saya. So if you guys want to learn from the best community, make sure you guys tekan link di bawah and join the Kaizen Crypto Academy. It is free. You guys boleh learn from the Education Hub. Everything sudah disediakan. You guys boleh follow all the setups yang saya bagi and improve your trading and make some profit. Okay, so semua link saya akan letak di bawah. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for liking, commenting and subscribing.